Still have another turn.
Like, I think we'll have a full thing today unless something happens to me tomorrow. I don't think it should, but I don't even fucking know anymore.
Has I actually cleared this yet? No, right? I don't think Ornstein has either.
No idea.
Ornstein normally posts as soon as he clears, and I haven't seen him post.
Are we gonna be the first all Evan static to clear this?
Ah, but we're the only all Evan static.
Alright, fuck. I'm gonna Power Rangers.
Can I be the white one? Can I be the white power?
Can I be the blue one? I want to be the blue one.
I want to be white power, please.
I'm sorry, Tom.
If you could be any Bionicle, what Bionicle would you be?
Dude, I don't fucking remember Bionicles. I love that shit. Did you ever play the game on their web browser?
Yes, I did.
I fucking love that game, dude. Oh my god. I never finished it. I had no idea what you're supposed to do. Like,
Me either. It was really
That's
poorly
fucking
designed, but it was Bionicle, so it was good.
it was great, dude. Can we talk about Goosebumps now?
Oh god.
Which Goosebumps book is your favorite?
You
Can we talk about John Cena?
Are we Bulwark now?
I wish.
I wish.
Threw him a tech deck the other day and he did a sick wheelie. I was really proud.
God damn it.
We roleplayed it.
No.
Yes. Oh my god, my mana tech. Please, don't fuck me up, you piece of shit game.
Okay.
Point one time.
I got a bad
Oogie.
tick. Are you kidding?
Zach. You both next.
Liquid them. Living liquid, I'm so sorry. L. Letter L. I'm retarded.
Retarded homo.
What else could be wrong?
Did I form shift? No, we're not gonna. No.
Did you wipe us? Hello?
No, would I wipe us while we're at this?
We're about to die.
No, we're not.
Totally dead.
Oh,
We're
thank
so
God.
dead. Oh my god, I'm dead inside. Kill me now. Spread.
Latest shroud ever.
Oh my god, it was. Where did your mana?
$850.
1300 club. Where are you, Proji?
Got my sick deeps.
Come here.
Okay.
This epic buff.
Oh.
You going somewhere with that?
No, you know, nigga. What the fuck you think? Don't worry about
This
it.
is spam.
Please assist. Hello?
Alright. Good work, Colt.
Got it.
Ooh.
Drop that ice on that shit.
Oh, we are opposites, Momo.
Lily. Bite. I need some help.
Yeah, I'm going. For opposite.
I'll just you. Okay, we're good.
Please give me this fire one, you piece of shit game.
Give me a kiss.
Why
No.
does this stun?
B today.
I get C.
I got F.
Oh, this
I
is
got-
perfect.
D.
You just
In
can't.
every direction.
It's
Put the
cute.
minus 4 times.
Speedy's died.
I'm killing it, don't worry.
Yep. Okay, God.
Ah.
The gay homo stat. Getting mad.
Oh my god.
What?
Senna, your miasmas are ticking for 80 now. What did you do?
Meows.
What?
Clarkson,
boys.
the Meowsmas. Hello? Okay.
Yaosma.
Yaosma?
Okay,
Oh.
just no, I'm not going into Defiance for a while.
No bullshit. No
Better use
armies.
Butcher's Block.
I am.
No normies?
Alright,
You don't have aggro, so
I'm
please.
fine. I'm fine.
We are...
We're the same, Momo.
Opposite
Come
hold.
just to me.
I hope I'm alive. No, I'm fucking retarded. You said that like late.
You should
Just
know.
move out the
Like,
clear.
they're dead. Oh, everything's bad.
Get ready for spots.
I dropped my
Oh, God.
stacks.
I'm not gonna
I'm in the
actually
wrong
shit
spot.
I'm moving. Oh my god, this
Someone's
is so
hacking
terrible.
in.
We're alive.
How?
I need
I
help.
don't know. He's dead though. Cool.
I still need help.
nothing.
In down.
Splashes.
I have
Splashes,
nothing.
please. Sick.
Actually, this is
Zeus is
fine.
in debuffs. Hey, Zeus is in debuffs.
Got problem.
Debuff on.
I'll get it. Hold on. Come here. There we go.
This is like perfectly fine.
You're all being this, Abe. You're all being this hand.
Going right here.
I got first time, might be a little delayed, but I'll get it. Okay, no, maybe.
Cleave. Darkness and Deliverance, so... Oh, wait.
I'm not tanking.
Yeah.
I did a retarded thing.
I have a size for these flash.
ADPS can be shit for a while. Sorry. Wait, it's my fault.
So why
Debuffs.
does my fault
Slasher.
get like that?
Debuffs first.
Oh yeah.
So,
Got Abe.
Debuff on me.
6 now.
Get in. I'm gonna convert, but I'll mana ward. Never mind. I'm just not going to. Mana ward's gonna register late and I'll die for it. I don't wanna
Do you have an
that.
Indom?
I already used it.
We're good. He's gonna spin it. Come to A.
Come out.
I don't have a shield on audio yet.
I got it. Battle on me. Opposite hole.
We are same.
We're the same. Come just to me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Drop my stacks again. God fucking damn it. It's going back to the center. Be careful of the cleave. Mind the gap. Thank you.
DPS right now, Sana.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I have
Yes.
hammers down.
Balls out.
Balls out. Move. Away from the center.
You can DPS now.
So this is a new ball. It's out now.
Cascade.
There's a ball.
Everyone in. Putting doctor.
Magnets. We are the same, Jordan. Stay
Opposite
still.
Raimi.
Offset Momo.
Thank you, game. Don't get cleave, please. Momo.
Spots. I'll get Abe.
See, you don't fuck off that.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, probably.
We're not all being this, reminder.
Sluice debuffs.
I have
I'll get
debuff.
Momo.
Debuff.
Everyone in.
Please don't put a cascade on me.
Going right here.
I got first on.
Stunning.
I'm in deliverance.
Leave.
Yep.
Splash next. I have Benny and Tetris.
Had it.
Good.
Debuff next.
I really need
I'm not
TP.
gonna move.
Swap.
Debuff on me.
This flash is next.
Okay.
Get in.
Please stop.
Frame rate or like latency? Oh god. He's gonna spin
So
it, Ryder.
Hey, or behind it.
Senna? To Senna, please.
Talk the first one.
Can someone throw an eye on hold?
We're different,
Same.
Jarvan?
Frame me.
Opposite.
Stay still, stay still. I'm just gonna do it, whatever.
Two throttles in the ball. You can DPS in 6 seconds.
Reminder, we have LB3.
One,
Wait for the
two.
orbs.
All is out.
Like, wait till
Clear
you
the
have
middle. Clear the middle.
DPS.
Potion should be up. Ball's coming out again.
Cascade's next.
Just call me John Madden.
I'm DPS.
We're done. We're so done. Oh my god.
Oh, we're good.
Check your potions. We're opposite aim.
We're the same,
Same
Jarvan.
hold, same hold.
Position yourself.
DPS as hard as you can.
Just go.
Kill it.
I'm so fucking gay. Oh my god, please.
Please, 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 please.
Kick!
0.5.
Oh wow.
Yeah, fuck yes!
Thank you,
Fucking. Thank you.
Hey, it's over.
Christ.
We did it, and I was top DPS. Fuck you, Momo.
God damn, finally.
We're so good at this game. I love you.
It
Swap.
only took
Hello,
5
Swap.
weeks.
Do you want to get EB'd? Oh my god. Hey, we did it. Server first? Lamau! Yeah, can we get a cute picture? A bud picture? Oh!
Yeah, come on. Super easy. I did fucking ass last phase.
Oh my god, I did it. We did it. Oh!
I got almost 700. I'm happy.
Momo, stay next to me. We gotta get rush out in this one, you know. Me and you.